Reveal the secret. Is the magical Cordyceps sinensis an insect or a plant? Cordyceps sinensis is the most expensive fungus in the world. And the price of top wild Cordyceps sinensis is at least 3 times that of gold. Its existence in nature is very special. In winter, it is insect. In summer, it turns to a plant. So is it an insect or a plant? In fact, Cordyceps sinensis is a compound of insects and fungi. In winter, the Cordyceps sinensis fungus invades the underground hibernating Hibulus larva, and the hyphae grow continuously by absorbing the nutrition of the larva. In summer, the hyphae grow from the height of larva, and the shape of the stroma is like grass. So it's called Cordyceps sinensis. What is more rare is that it has a comprehensive health function. In addition to two-way regulation of immunity, it can also resist fatigue and aging, and has repair and improvement effects on respiratory system, lung, liver, kidney, heart, brain, and other important organs. For men, it is a natural Viagra, which can significantly improve male sexual performance. For women, it is a beauty-restoring product, which can effectively delay skin aging. For the elderly, it is essential to prolong life so that you can regain a healthy and useful state. Magical Cordyceps sinensis, you should have it.